Our today's chapter is chapter number 10, the S block elements. Group 1 and 2 belongs to the S block of the periodic table. Group 1 consists of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, and these are known as alkali metals. Group 2 elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, these are alkaline earth metals. We have to write their electronic configuration of all these elements. We know their atomic number, so we can write their electronic configuration. So first group elements have one electron in the valence shell, general configuration is ns1, and second group element have two valence electrons, so general configuration will be ns2. Now physical properties of these s block elements. Number 1, large atomic radii. Atomic radii of alkali metals are largest in their respective periods. These increase as we travel down the group. Because these are the first member of the respective period, when we move left to right in a period, atomic size decreases, so they have largest size in the respective periods. Down the group, atomic size increase because due to addition of new cell and increase in screening effect. Second one is large ionic radii, same as atomic radii, same reason for ionic radii. Next is low ionization enthalpy. These elements have largest size in respective periods, so electron can be easily removed from the outermost shell, so they have low value of ionization enthalpy, and down the group that will also decrease. Addition enthalpy, it decreases with increase in the ionic radii. The addition enthalpy of lithium is maximum and addition enthalpy cesium is minimum. Oxidation state, alkali metal exhibit +1 in their compounds and strongly electropositive in character. The electropositive character increase from lithium to cesium. Metallic character increase down the group because ionization enthalpy decrease down the group. Melting point, boiling points. The melting point, boiling point of alkali metals are very low and decrease with increase in atomic number. Nature of bond formed. So these elements form ionic bonds, you can say ionic compounds, and ionic character increase down the group because decrease in electronegativity. Flame coloration, all the alkali metal impart a color to the flame. Photoelectric effect, all the metal except lithium exhibit photoelectric effect. These are physical properties of group 1. Now chemical property of alkali metals. Number 1, reducing character. As ionization enthalpy of alkali metal decrease down the group, reducing character reactivity in gaseous state increase down the group. This is the order. Reaction with the dihydrogen. Alkali metal react with dihydrogen at about 673 Kelvin to form crystalline hydrides, which are ionic in nature and have high melting points. Oxides and hydroxides. Alkali metal when burnt in air from different compounds, for example alkali metal on reaction with a limited quantity of oxygen form normal oxides, formula M2, like Li2O, Na2O, K2, etc. Reaction with halogens. Member of this family combine with halogen to form corresponding halides, which are ionic crystalline solids. Reactive to alkali metal with particular halogen increase lithium to cesium. Reaction with water. Alkali metal react with water and other compounds containing acidic hydrogen halides acetylene to liberate hydrogen gas. For example, sodium dissolved in water forms sodium hydroxide in S2. Solubility in liquid ammonia. All alkali metal dissolved in liquid ammonia give deep blue solution, which are conducting in nature. Reaction with sulfur and phosphorus. Alkali metal react with sulfur and phosphorus on heating to form sulfides and phosphides. Now there is a diagonal relationship between lithium, first member, aluminum belongs to group 13, boron family. They resemble in properties. What are these properties? Quite hard, and hydroxides of both are weak base. Carbonate of both on heating decompose to produce oxides and carbon dioxides. With nitrogen form nitrides. Nitrates of both decompose to give oxides. Lithium magnesium don't form solid bicarbonates. Okay, because covalent character of lithium chloride MgCl2 are soluble in ethanol. So these are diagonal relationship between lithium and aluminum. There are similar properties. Biological importance of sodium potassium. This year this topic is deleted from the syllabus. Now we take the next group 2 element alkaline earth metals. Now their properties same as that of group 1. Atomic radii alkaline earth metal fairly large enough, though smaller than corresponding alkali metal, because you are moving left to right, so their size small in comparison to group 1. Down the group increase, reason is same, addition of new cell and increase in screening effect. Ionic radii, same variation as atomic radii. Ionization enthalpy, alkaline earth metals, ionization enthalpy is more than alkali metals से ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, क्योंकि हम लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव कर रहे हैं तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, और डाउन द ग्रुप डिक्रीज होगी. हाइड्रोजन एंथैल्पी of alkaline earth metal ion decrease as the size of metal ion increase, तो डाउन द ग्रुप डिक्रीज हो रही है. Oxidation state, as you know that there are 2 valence electron in the valence cell, ns2 general configuration है इनका, so they will show +2 oxidation state. Electronegativity quite close to the alkali metals and slightly more हो जाएगी, लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव कर रहे हैं आप. मेटलिक करेक्ट डाउन द ग्रुप इंक्रीज होगा. Melting point, boiling points. The melting point, boiling point, these metals are higher than the alkali metal present in the same period. Coloration to flame, with the exception of beryllium and magnesium, rest of the elements the characteristic color to the flame. Calcium brick red, strontium crimson grassy, beryllium green, rhodium crimson red. Complex formation भी करते हैं ये. Formation of organometallic compound, both beryllium and magnesium. Large number of organometallic compounds containing metal carbon bond with certain organic compounds. For example, magnesium react with alkyl halide in the presence of diether to form Grignard reagent. Reducing character, alkaline earth metals are weak reducing agent than corresponding alkali metal which have lower ionization enthalpy and comparatively bigger atomic size. Reaction with oxygen, just like first group, they also form oxides, formula MO, normal oxides and peroxides MO2. Reaction with halogens, member of this family are combined directly with the halogen at appropriate temperature to form corresponding halides. Reaction with water, the member of this group are less reactive towards water as compared to corresponding alkali metals because these are less reactable nature. Reaction with hydrogen, member of except beryllium combine with the hydrogen directly upon heating to form metal halides. Now there are some compounds, important compounds, but this time these compounds are not in syllabus, so we will not discuss about these compounds. Okay, this is all about S block element group 1 and 2, alkali metals and alkaline earth metal. Thank you. Have a nice day.